Hi yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco and today we're going to be getting into an energy reset flow. It's only going to take about 10 minutes. We're just going to energize our bodies, bring back some life into our breath and overall our muscles, and just strengthen ourselves throughout this flow. So if you're ready to get started, grab your mat, grab some comfy clothing, and let's get started. All right, so once you roll out your mat, we're gonna start at the end of our mat here. And you might hear some storms in the background. It's just raining a little bit, so don't mind that. But we're gonna start at the end of our mat. So feet hip distance apart. And we're just gonna stand in a tall Tadasana mountain pose with our palms facing forward, feet pressed to the mat, toes spread wide, gazing beyond our nose. And when you're ready, we'll take a deep inhale and rise our arms up above. And exhale, we'll release palms, heart center, and back to Tadasana. We'll do that a couple of rounds here just to liven up our breath and reset our energy here for a moment. So inhale, rise. Exhale, release down. And one more time, inhale, rise. Exhale, release. So this time we'll forward fold. So inhale, rise. Exhale, release down, hinging at the hips to forward fold. Bring your crown of the head down to the mat. Inhale, half lift, back parallel to the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Hands to heart center, release down to Tadasana. Palms facing forward, grounding at the feet. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, release down, hinging at the hips. Then we'll crawl the hands forward into plank position. Hold here in plank just for a moment. And release all the way down, Chaturanga. Exhale, inhale, raise your chest forward, flatten your back of your feet, or the tops of your feet. And release, curl your toes under, downward facing dog, hinging the hips upward. And we'll pedal the feet here just for a moment. Inhale. Exhale, crawl the hands back towards your feet. Release down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Back to Tadasana, mountain pose. Strong stance here. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Then we'll walk the hands forward again. This time we'll take tabletop so the knees are right below the hips in a 90-degree angle, and then the hands are stacked right below the shoulders. Inhale, rise the right arm up above. Exhale, we'll do a thread the needle. So threading between your arm and your shoulder. And then we'll take our left arm, tenting at the hands and reaching forward. Gently releasing any tension in our upper back. Crawl the hand back. And then we'll inhale, release the arm up. Exhale, back down. Take a breath here. Inhale, rise the left arm up. Exhale, thread the needle. Crawl the right hand up forward, hinge the hips back. So you reach forward. Slowly crawl the right arm back. Inhale, rise the left arm back up. And release down on your exhale. We'll take a couple of cat-cows here. So inhale, bring the sternum forward, curl the back toes under. Exhale, bring the navel up towards the spine, flatten the feet. Arching at the shoulders, rounding at the back. Inhale, draw the chest forward, and relax into your breath here as we flow through. Exhale, release down, rounding at the back, drawing the navel towards the spine. Inhale, back up. Exhale, release back down. And we'll take our right foot forward, bending at our knee, and extend just a little bit with your back knee as we take our right foot out towards the edge of the mat. We'll hold ourselves here in lizard pose for a moment. Just breathe into this pose before we bring ourselves down to our forearms. Exhale, release down to the forearms to deepen your stretch. And feel free to bring your head down to your forearms if you like, bringing your forearms horizontal to each other to deepen your hip stretch here. Just relaxing the muscles, relaxing this pose, softening your breath. Inhale, press up with the hands. Hold here for a moment as you're bending at the front knee, strengthening the glute muscle here. And we'll bring the right foot back. And we'll switch sides, bringing the left foot forward towards the edge of the mat. Bringing both of the hands over towards the right. Lengthening in that back foot and the back leg behind you. And then slowly bringing yourself down to your forearms, gazing forward. Bring yourself down on your forehead if you'd like. And we'll rise back up, pressing up with our hands. Bring the left foot back in a tabletop. Then we'll bring our right foot forward into a low crescent lunge. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, release down, strengthening at the front leg. Straighten that front leg and that knee as you fold forward into a half split. Exhale, releasing down, breathing, stretching out the hamstrings here. And release, bring the knee back to a 90-degree angle. Bring the foot back to tabletop, and then we'll switch. Inhale, rise the arms up to low lunge. Exhale, release down, strengthening and straightening the front leg, our left leg this time. Fold down on your exhale. And inhale, rise back up, bending at that front knee. We'll take tabletop one more time. Take a breath, inhale. On your exhale, we'll curl the toes under, rise up into downward facing dog. We'll step or hop both of the feet forward. Exhale, release down. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold one more time. Inhale, rise the arms all the way up. And we'll take chair, so hinging the hips back, bringing the palms facing each other as you rise up in your inhale. Take a breath here. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Exhale, release, hands to heart center. And then back down to Tadasana. And inhale, rise the arms up again. And we'll start to cool ourselves down here a little bit since we did quite a bit of strengthening exercises to reset. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold one more time, and we'll bring ourselves to plank. Hold ourselves here in plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees down to the mat, crossing the feet, and then we'll sit back into our seated position. All right, inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, release down. We'll tilt the head over to the left and back towards the center, to the right, back towards the center. Rise the arms up one more time. Slowly crawl the arms up forward. Release your head down to the mat or to the floor, preferably on the mat, unless you're turned to the side like myself. Exhale, release your hands back. And we'll bring our hands over our knees and just relax and soften our breath here for a moment. And thank yourself for this quick energy reset. A little bit of a mix compared to what I usually do, which is more of stress-free flows or ways to stretch out your body. But this kind of mixed it all together, but added in some more ways to kind of reset, re-energize, and reinvigorate your body and your senses. So if you're feeling a little sleepy, definitely try this exercise out and you will definitely enjoy it. So you can keep your eyes closed here as you just relax your breath, softening the muscles, releasing the tongue from the roof of your mouth. Take one more deep inhale. Exhale, release into a sigh. And slowly flutter your eyes open when you're ready. Namaste. I hope that you enjoyed this quick energy reset flow. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next ones.